25 years ago, when Implema started, we did that on the basis of delivering fast and accurate projects, ERP projects. In order to do that, we needed to utilize the processes built into the SAP solution, and we needed to be very focused on time. So we have to manage the scope to deliver in a fast way. Now when we see a cloud journey and SAP is coming out with cloud products, we have the best practice processes instead to utilize to get the fast projects going. We quite early saw the opportunity in using BTP services, but we also didn't have the experience ourselves to build the competence. We started from zero basically.
The reason why we started looking into this was actually that we felt that we really needed to extend our knowledge about how to work with BTP, firstly on a general basis, but really also on application level. We also felt that the application consultant really needed to understand how to work with the development tools that was available and how they could help in actually creating their services and apps and everything around that. And then we found Next Level, and really everything that we needed was there.
The most enlightening thing for me was that it was surprisingly easy to build something that seemingly was impossible before.
It was very interesting and fun to learn.
Another key takeaway that I had was the part where one of the teams incorporated generative AI into their solution. So that was very impressive to already see how, from the current trends and what is happening in the market, directly importing it into their pitch and what they are delivering and could potentially showcase to a customer.
I'm really impressed with the team. I'm proud with the team because they have actually found actual customer cases that we are solving, and they have created a solution in a short time.
I would say that one of the biggest benefits of this is actually when the application consultant is at customer site or has an ID on a general basis, he or she can just start the development on her own, which is a great opportunity because before you really had to speak to a developer.
So Boris, we just wrapped up with Implema, last Next Level Build program of the year. How did it go so far?
Another great one. It was really amazing. It was great to see the consultants that basically started from scratch just a couple of weeks back, right? Being in front of us today and pitching their scenarios, all of them being super relevant. Great to see also how they combined the different SAP Build components like Build Apps, Build Process Automation, and even included generative AI into some of the scenarios. So super impressed.
Yeah, absolutely. And I think, look, for us here, we're wrapping up, right? But what would be next for a partner like Implema?
Yeah, I mean, we talked about it with Implema as well, right, during the pitches, that the scenarios they brought to the table today were super relevant for their customers. It's easy to basically extend their rise and grow engagements in the S/4HANA space with those extensions on BTP.
Yeah, absolutely. I think, look, that's a good point to end on. For us, it goes beyond the SAP Build stack. It goes into the broader business technology platform stack. And we couldn't be prouder that, strategic programs like Rise, like Grow are incorporated as part of this. So we're really excited for this go-to-market motion together.
Absolutely.